You should have seen how dusty that was.
Alright, so we have a problem. It keeps eating it.
Let's see if I can take a finger off.
What the fuck?
Hi, I'm Casey, and this is Brad. We decided to buy an old school bus, named her Juniper, and started converting her into our tiny dream home with our 3 beautiful kids. This is our son Malcolm, our daughter Charlie, and our son Jack. Come on in and enjoy the bumpy ride.
You're not gonna talk to me? Okay. Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. I guess I'll do the intro by myself. So we just dropped off the chitlins with my mother. We are headed back out to Juniper. And hopefully we can get some rust off the bottom of it. We are prepping so we can have our friend come out and weld a bunch of things. All the holes in the floor, fix those. So that's where we're headed.
Huh? Ooh.
We have arrived at our destination. Look! There's the big beautiful beast water. Alright, so our goal for today is we are going to try to take the rest of the bottom of this wall out. He's got to cut it with a reciprocating saw. He's got to grind out the heads of these rivets here, and then he's got to cut the bottom of the wall off. Then, while he's up there doing that, I'm going to be down here sanding and trying to get some areas clean so we can fix the floor, hoping that it'll work the way that I want it to. So to get the rust off this, I'm going, since we can't use a sandblaster right now and we're just wasting time with it sitting where it's at because we can't work on it Saturdays since Brad works Saturdays, I'm going to take a hand sander with some 80 grit, no 60 grit, and I'm going to start sanding. I'm just going to sand around the areas that we need fixed right now.
You should have seen how dusty that was. That was so dusty.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
So we have a problem. It keeps eating it. I told you 60 grit probably wasn't going to be enough.
The grittier it is, the higher, the more it's going to tear apart.
Oh.
Because it's grabbing on with it.
Well, it keeps eating it.
Are you getting anywhere though?
No.
Okay.
You want to go look? As soon as I hit any black paint down there, it just stops. It won't go anywhere. Should I call Pops?
12,500 orbits per minute.
Okay. You need a faster one than that?
Okay, so hand sander and 60 grit did absolutely dog didn't do nothing. So Brad went to the store. Got a wire wheel and a nice new grinder. So let's see if I can take a finger off. Oh yeah!
gonna take a lot longer. I hate this grinding.
In the morning I wake, another beautiful day. I finally figured the recipe. A bit of giving and taking. Life, it is what you make it. Nothing petty can get to me. A little bit of slow, a little bit of go, a little bit of high, a little bit of low. Ooh, live for the moment. Ooh, live for the time. Ooh, live for the moment. Now you get yours and I'll get mine. I wanna sing 1,000 times a day so I could get you higher to the ground.
But sometimes it hurts instead. Times it lasts, it hurts instead. Yeah. I know, I'm so off key, aren't I? I can't hear a thing with my headphones on. Here's a grinder. What the f just happened? Holy shit! Woo! The wheel just exploded.
Woo!
Let me see it.
Another piece went flying that way. I'm glad it didn't
Oh
hit
my
you.
god! Holy shit! That was scary. Oh my god, that was shot right behind me.
Yeah, it almost hit me like some of it hit me on the face.
Did it really? Oh my god. That was scary. New wheel. Hopefully we don't have the same mishap happen. I'm gonna stand over here this time. Ba-dow! Hell to the yeah.
Hell yeah. So I'm pretty impressed.
So am I. You gonna see if it'll cut a line for you now?
Yeah, it won't go through that. I don't think.
You're still connected, sir. You're connected.
I know!
Cut it. Or not.
Messed up.
Woo! That thing just popped right off.
Come on. Come here now. Them teethies are gone.
Rip her off. I'm done with this project. I don't want to do it anymore. Oh my god, we're done. I'm so done with the walls. We just gotta take that little piece out on the back door. But it's all screws and it'll be real easy. I'm ready for this chickpea salad. Oh, she dirty. Time to clean her up.
Something about the wonderful way the sun is coming up today. It's saying everything's alright. I can't believe the way I'm feeling. It's like I'm floating up and dreaming. Strolling up and down the sidewalk, and you can see a smile when I talk. It's saying everything's alright.
If you're new to the vlog, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps grow our little channel, and plus the best thing is it's free. So come join the YouTube family and don't miss out on this crazy adventure that we're on. Alright, Juniper is all tarped up and ready to go for the next time that we come, because if it gets rain, we don't want to get her all wet on the inside. So that's the end of today. We got a good portion of what we wanted done, so we'll see you in the next one.